Recording. 3:17. 10, 12, 17.
Hey, how you doing, sir?
Hi, hello.
We need to check your master bedroom. Amy, Marjorie called you in the morning.
What happened?
We just need to check some vibration that is going on. We just want to make sure that your unit is fine. Excuse me.
What kind of vibration? What kind of vibration?
Something that is waking up the resident.
佢話兩點鐘朝頭早有啲聲喺個廁所度，即似嘈醒佢，咁佢想 check 一 check 個廁所睇下有冇聲咯。我哋已經差唔多即係一個禮拜已經查，即係上個禮拜查唔到，所以又要查你嗰個。
有個可能有個咩性咧，就係隔離呢度咧，嗰個 laundry room 咧，有時半夜3更會嘈嘅。我唔知係咪 laundry room。
唔係喎，咁但係 laundry room 就11:3啊嘛。
但係係應該喺嗰度嗰啲聲喺個，因為我呢個床係隔離噶嘛 laundry room。I think one of the I have a few times, not many times. In the middle of the night, it seems the other side, the laundry room, someone operating the machine, something like that. You know that at night
That's the sound?
That's the sound, I think, because
because actually it's exactly the same area that she is hearing it.
That's right.
She's hearing it right here.
That's right. So there's no pipe, nothing here, right? Or it could be because of the machine. Because on the third floor you have machine, the second floor is the machine.
But it's on the other side of the stairwell. But
no, it's facing like this, right?
Yeah.
That's the dryer is right here, right?
No, this is the stairs.
Let me see. There's the stairs.
Yeah.
But I could really heard something
Like
something like that. It's just like the machine. Maybe the machine room. You know the generator in the middle of the night could restart. Maybe the water tank.
I can feel the vibration of it.
You can feel?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, you could hear that. Yes.
Yeah.
That's the noise. It seems just like the laundry room. Let me say it like this.
Yeah, but it's not.
But
I think will.
Is it the air?
I think will be the fan.
The fan? Do they have fans up?
Right about.
So you need to have a look. You need to have a look on the fan. When the wind blows.
How long ago you heard that?
Number of times. Yeah, I could hear that now.
But a long time ago?
No.
It's recently.
Recently.
Okay.
I just thought I never thought about the staircase.
Yeah.
But I could say, what happened last night? Someone opened for someone for washing machine, for the dryer. It's stupid, but it seems it's working like that. Just go
downstairs.
Or the downstairs, because the downstairs haven't have anyone staying yet. They haven't moving in yet.
Yeah, that's weird.
But I could you could feel it, right?
Feel it, yeah.
The air, but the air haven't have the valves, right? It's only have one on the middle of the this room.
No, we have one right there. One on the other side and one in the other room.
It shouldn't be on this side.
Shouldn't be in this side and this side.
But you could hear that, yes.
The hallway fan.
It seems a machine working, right?
Yeah, it's a fan. It's a. What she disturb her is that noise like brum 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 brum, like somebody is operating something. She said.
That's right.
Yeah, it sounds.
That's why I thought
I mean, this is pretty much normal.
Oh.
But she thinks it's
But
like.
it's true. exactly like the washer dryers. Oh no, the if you go to the laundry room, the right hand top corner is the noise. It's still working. They should change the dryer anyway. You go to the washing machine, the dryer.
The dryer.
The first one on right top. It's just the noise is very very loud.
Loud. Yeah. But the thing
exactly is the same noise. Exactly the same noise. So that's why I say, wow, what happened to the middle of the night? Someone washed.
Like it goes on by himself.
I know, but someone open it for someone to do it middle of the night, doesn't matter as long as I don't hear that, right? Who cares? But that is the noise. That is the noise. Exactly. That's why I have not.
Okay. Because it's the same noise that I heard up there. Same noise.
Didn't Aquatech work in the bathroom downstairs?
Yeah.
So.
But it shouldn't be that kind of.
No. I mean, this is normal. Like you heard the fan working, and of course the wall amplifies the sound. But if you heard it louder, that's not normal. That's interesting. Yeah, this is exactly the same noise. That's
you
louder.
can hear the noise too?
Yeah. That you
I
can
can
hear.
hear
You
it.
can hear the
But that one is
this one is
loud.
definitely different. I think I can hear all the way to the laundry room.
Yeah, it seems like a laundry room.
I can hear the dryer that he's talking about.
I think it's loud. I reported to Vi already.
They should just change it. They shouldn't fix it.
How old you was?
40 years ago. 40.
Nice picture. Very nice memory.
我爸都有啊。Same
Well,
thing.
during that time, that is the only certificate, right? Who cares about anything?
Yeah.
I told him my dad has the same one.
Hey, I'm married.
Okay, there you go.
Marriage photo, same one.
Nice.
Yeah, just like the laundry room.
Yeah.
Exactly like the laundry room.
Gonna try to do something about it. Thanks so much.
Okay.
Appreciate it.
Okay. All
Okay,
right.
唔該晒，唔該晒。好。Yeah, dryer. There's no way to unplug it though. It's out in the back.
Are you recording? Okay. So this.
Yeah.
When are you recording?
When I was doing the carbon monoxide, I gave a whole list to Vi to call wash. I told her this was very loud squeaking noise coming from the dryer. And this is not the first time. I reported this dryer before. I remember. They came out, I don't know what they did, and then they left, and noise is still there.
Oh, it's the noise. It's terrible.
Yeah.
They should change it to fix
Yeah,
it.
yeah.
It's been changing it's been fixing for so many times.
Yeah.
And the first machine too.
That one too?
No. This one. This one.
Oh, okay.
Every other week, someone has to plug it out. Every other week. They fix it, and then after a few times,
Yeah, it's full of water. I already told Vi.
Before it's this one. Before it's this one. Now it's this one. They should. Do they have a? They should release the water. know what? I forgot to suggest one thing to the management. Because everyone have a cell phone.
Yes, please.
They should text it to the association. No, not this one. To the association.
Washing machine 312. It's full of water, so just clean the line.
Because the pressure is from the association. It's from nothing. They have tons of excuse, you know. But for them, they pay. I think they should, next time they should suggest to one thing, because everyone have a cell phone. They should text the association.
Well, it says here.
I know, but
it's 1-800.
I know, but the thing is,
There's
so many stickers here around.
Yeah, no, and it's better if are you doing longer?
No, I'm doing it, but here.
Oh, okay. This one's has clothes on it. Yeah, that's a good idea. You know, to send it to us.
Because you see, nowadays you can take a photo, right?
Yeah.
Take a photo, send to the association have the record.
Yeah.
All time have a record.
Correct.
So you don't have to bother, and then you don't need to ask the question. You know what? Number of times when I call, your name, your location. Come on, it's an emergency. When I call 911, I call them. They ask me all the questions. I say someone has to be someone on the floor already. I took a picture and then they should report to you. Just hey, come on, go to 211, building 2, first floor.
They're actually having an app for alert that you could download onto your phone, and all you do is send that, and then we will come right away.
They should. Well, I don't know because not everyone will interest on that. But if you have a phone, I mean, the system like
phone system. Yeah, it's called 4Alert. They use it here. And if you use 4Alert, it sends it to security and management so they know right away.
So they should put it onto the announcement.
Yeah.
Put it onto the announcement. I mean, make sure everyone knows about that.
Yeah.
Nowadays, just like I have the phone number on the Shell Creek. I already put it down over there.
They're doing the Android phone right now, and then it'll be live.
Right.
And then people can download it.
Yeah, that's right. They should make it everything very simple.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
I did this. I just fucking did.
And you see how many they are? How many?
I know. The last 4 billion I had to remove it. See, look at this one. October 3rd. What's this? September. That's gone. Golf cart.